Exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. Question number 2, Roman number 3. This trigonometry section for 11th class. Now let's try to know tan x plus tan twice x plus root over 3 tan x tan twice x is equal to what? Root over 3. Okay, continues to this what? Let's apply it now. Tan x plus tan twice x. This is what to say is equal to root over 3. This positive, I mean that now this plus will be transpositions from left to right. The sign will be changed minus root over 3 tan x tan twice x we have now. Then next continues to apply for this. Let you write tan x plus tan twice x is equal to, this is root over 3, this is root over 3, that's why there are root over 3. This also one term, this all another term. Let me tackle common root over 3. After taking root over 3, here left over 1 minus, when root over 3 is being tackled common, we find that tan x, tan twice x we find. Okay, then it is applied again. This root over how to find. Then after this root over how to find that this coefficients of this root over, to find that this section will be divided by this section again. For example, let me return now tan x plus tan twice x. Whence this 1 minus tan x tan twice x divided by this 1 minus tan x tan twice x left over. This is equal to root over 3. Root over 3. Okay. In these conditions now, this section let you keep now tan twice x, then is equal to root over 3. Okay, this form let you apply tan twice x, this is equal to pi by 3. Okay, in these conditions now we find that to apply this tan twice x, whence pi by 3 is transpositions from left to right, sign will be changed, pi by 3, this is equal to 0. In these conditions now we find it. Then after this now, suppose twice x minus pi by 3, this is now equal to n pi for all n belongs to integer. It is same case now, integer conditions. Applied now, trisec be written. This minus will be sense plus when transportation from right to left. For example, now be written here. What to say? N pi by plus pi by 3 I. Then after this now, therefore, to find x, the coefficient x of the coefficient 3 will be divided by n pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is remain when this 3 to multiply here, let you keep here. For all, let's try to know belongs to this. Then after this, n pi by 3 plus pi by 3 here 9. Then for all, let's try to know n belongs to integer. For example, it is how to know 11 class students of the mathematics for the sections of the trigonometry. Let's try to know, for example, 10 trisec minus pi 3 is equal to 0. Sine x minus pi by 3. Let you keep this is also how to derive against. We need to know. This is what about the mathematical sections of this 11 class student. Please like and subscribe to solve next by next of this. It is so busy trying to make mathematics, printing of the mathematics and the solving of the mathematics. That is quite problems. That's why I write using pens, ballpoint pen using.